Hello, and welcome to the Burbank City Parks Master Plan Workshop 1 video. My name is Zachary Meading, and I'll guide you through this presentation. The purpose of the Master Plan is to develop a guide and implementation tool for the management and development of parks and recreation facilities throughout the city. Most importantly, this guide is developed based on local community needs, which will ultimately develop the local recommendations to support Burbank communities. The process is broken down into 5 stages. First, an inventory of the existing condition, followed by the community outreach and engagement. Comparing those two, we'll assess a needs analysis, then provide recommendations based on our findings, and ultimately funding and implementation support. The timeline to accomplish this will take approximately 10 months. You can see here it begins with that inventory, followed by extensive community outreach, and then a reporting period. The initial inventory assessment will look at the existing documents. We look at the general plan, open space and conservation element, land use and zoning planning, as well as the general plan for Burbank 2035. We also look at all of the parks and facilities available to the community within the city of Burbank. We find 24 parks, regional parks, and recreation facilities. Additionally, we'll look at the connectivity and multimodal transportation options and trails available to the community. The inventory will also consist of a review of all the existing programs that are available to the community. These programs include adult programs, aquatic programs, camps, classes, childhood, preschool classes, as well as teen and adult classes. We also look at the demographics. We find in 2023 the total population was just above 105,000. Some of the largest age ranges, 42%, are from the ages 35 to 64. You can also see subsequent age population breakdowns that we review in efforts to assess whom the community is and how might they recreate in the future. After completing our inventory, we'll reach out to the community through an extensive process, including statistically valid multimodal surveys, stakeholder interviews, community workshops, both live and online, as well as a project website. This project website will allow dedicated feedback 24/7, where the community can share information with us at any point in time. Looking at the statistically valid multimodal survey conducted, we first see there was a good geographic distribution of residents participating all across the city of Burbank. Some key data points we see is 46% of the participants get their information about Burbank parks, recreation facilities, programs from the city's website. 81% of the participants are satisfied with the job the Public Works Department is doing in maintaining the parks and recreation facilities. 75% of the participants are satisfied with the existing parks and recreation facilities programs they have and utilize within the city. As part of the multimodal survey, we also asked, what is one recreation program, class, or activity you would like to see added or improved within the city? And we see here, in alpha order, arts classes, basketball, children's activities, fitness exercise centers, Zumba, park activities, pickleball, senior activities, sports, swimming classes, yoga, meditation were all elements provided by the community. Additionally, we asked the question, what is one park amenity or recreation facility you would like to see added or improved in Burbank? We heard items such as a dog park, more parks, pickleball courts, playground updates, preserved green grassy areas, restrooms, soccer fields, swimming pools, tennis courts, and walking paths. I invite you to visit the project webpage. On this webpage, we will have project updates, information about how you can get involved, as well as a dedicated feedback button where you can click on that button and share information with the planning team at any point in time during the life of this project. I invite you to take the survey, available from March 13th through March 27th. Click on the link below or scan the QR code. Also, remember to attend Workshop 2 on April 10th at 6 p.m., where we'll review more information that we've collected, as well as solicit additional feedback from the community. Thank you very much for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing all your thoughts and ideas on the future of Burbank Parks and Recreation.